Today, you're going to learn how to claim tax deductions for your job in the US using ChatGPT to guide you through what you can and cannot legally write off. This tutorial is perfect for employees, freelancers, gig workers, and anyone who wants to make sure they're not missing deductions they qualify for. Before you begin, gather your work-related receipts, mileage records, home office details, and any expenses you believe might count as deductible. These prompts will help you sort everything clearly. Start by getting a simple overview of what applies to your situation using "Explain which tax deductions I can claim based on my job. Here are my work details." Insert details. This gives you a customized list based on your job type: employee, contractor, freelancer, or mixed income. Next, organize your expenses with "Organize my work-related expenses into IRS-approved categories. Ask me questions if needed." This separates deductions like supplies, tools, professional fees, training, mileage, and home office. If you're unsure whether an expense qualifies, use "Tell me if this expense is tax deductible for my job, and explain why." Insert expense. This is helpful for items like uniforms, equipment, internet, or travel. To understand potential savings, ask "Estimate my tax deduction total and show how it reduces my taxable income." This gives you a clear breakdown of how deductions lower what the IRS taxes. Before filing, double-check everything using "List the most common mistakes employees and freelancers make with job-related deductions and help me review mine." Finally, create a simple tracking habit with "Create a monthly routine to track my work expenses so I never miss deductions again." And that's it. With a few clear prompts, understanding your job-related deductions becomes straightforward. Use ChatGPT at the start to organize your information and at the end to double-check your accuracy. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.